We're trying to line up the dominoes correctly. So I've got a little grid. And first thing I did in this question was count the number of ones, twos, and threes, and so on. So ones, I've got two of them. Twos, I've got two of them. Threes, I've got two of them. Fours, I've actually got one, two, three of them. Fives, none of them. And then sixes, three of them as well. Now, what that tells me is that we're going to have a four and a six at the end. Because remember, we're trying to match them. We're trying to pair them up inside. The only ones that are not paired are the end ones. So we've got to have a four and a six. I might as well keep those two the same. Right. We can do this in different orders potentially, but why not move these two around? That can be step one. Because now I've got all of this matching, which is brilliant. Okay, next up, I really want that six to be matching something. So I can do that by swapping these two around. Okay, and I couldn't get to this sort of step in any shorter steps. So two has got to me to here. So now all of this is matched and all of this is matched. The only part that's not matched is this bit here. But what I can do now is take this and I'm going to have to rotate. At the moment, yeah, the threes are both on the left-hand side, so we're definitely going to have to rotate. So if I take this one and rotate it, then it will perfectly match. So we're definitely going to need a rotation, need at least one rotation. And at least two moves. So therefore the minimum is going to be three. Like, you don't have to write that down, but I've kind of got my mind on like harder papers where you have to justify why it's the minimum. I'm not quite sure even what I've done is comprehensive. You should explain that the threes have to match, so we need at least one rotation, and you clearly need more than one move, because just doing one rotation will just sort the threes out. You need to get one over here and one over here, so we definitely need at least two moves, and we can achieve that, and I've just demonstrated how. So yeah, I like this question. Answers three.